And tell stories. Hi, Gray.
Yeah.
Hi, Gray. Tell us about what you did this morning. What do you think? What did you do? Well, that's very interesting. What else did you do? What came next? Did you read a book? You read a book, right?
You went outside.
Yeah.
Saw the kitty. Did you see the kitty? Yeah.
Yeah. You took a rest. That was nice. Did you have good dreams? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, not so sweet, huh? Well, they can't always be sweet.
Okay, Gray. Oh.
Oh, bless you.
That's a good one. You're a good boy. Okay.
Oh.
Cut. It's a big wind.
You too cute, buddy.
He wants more.
Getting lightheaded, Bob.
Yeah, really. Somebody want to take over? The second wind, as it were. Oh, it feels so good.
You guys remember that video of Galen's kid being all cute and Galen passing out face first?
I'm right there.
Okay.
Good job.
Yeah, we're done on that one.
Yeah.
Big win.